Are you looking to add a touch of rustic charm to your home? Do you want to create a cozy farmhouse style that is both inviting and stylish? Look no further, because we have some new and exciting ideas to help you achieve this desired look in your home decorating. Firstly, let's start with the colors. When creating a rustic or farmhouse style, earthy tones are key. Think warm browns, soft creams, and muted greens. These colors will provide a natural and calming atmosphere in your home. Consider adding these hues to your walls, furniture, and decor pieces. Don't be afraid to mix and match different shades to create depth and visual interest. Next, let's talk about the furniture. When it comes to a rustic or farmhouse style, distressed and reclaimed wood furniture is a must. Incorporate pieces with a weathered look, as this adds character and authenticity to the space. Opt for sturdy pieces such as a farmhouse dining table, a reclaimed wood coffee table, or a vintage dresser. These furniture pieces not only add functionality to your home, but also give it that rustic charm you're after. To enhance the rustic feel further, incorporate natural textures into your home decor. Consider using materials such as burlap, jute, and linen. These materials not only add visual interest, but also provide a tactile experience that contributes to the overall cozy ambiance. Use burlap or linen curtains, jute rugs, or even a rustic woven wall hanging. When it comes to accent pieces, consider incorporating vintage farmhouse finds or repurposed items. Scour local flea markets or antique stores for unique treasures that add a touch of nostalgia to your space. You could use vintage mason jars as vases, old milk cans as planters, or even repurpose an old wooden ladder as a bookshelf. These one-of-a-kind items will make your home decorating truly special and unique. One final tip to complete your rustic or farmhouse style is to incorporate nature-inspired elements. Bring the outdoors inside by adding potted plants, fresh flowers, and even branches or twigs as decorative pieces. These natural elements will add life and freshness to your space, creating a welcoming and cozy environment. In conclusion, creating a rustic or farmhouse style in your home decorating is all about embracing natural elements, vintage finds, and earthy colors. By using distressed and reclaimed wood furniture, incorporating natural textures, and adding vintage farmhouse accents, you can transform your home into a warm and inviting space. So, go ahead and experiment with these new ideas to create the cozy and charming rustic or farmhouse style you've always dreamed of.